Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Zulu. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. So back in February, Big Zulu shared his grandmother's house where he says he grew up and promised his fans and of course his grandmother that he will build her a house where she can live comfortably. Big Zulu then started building the house he had promised his grandmother back in March. And just yesterday, Big Zulu shared the finished product, you guys, the beautiful house that he had finished, which was beautifully painted in gray. As he shared pictures of that house, he captioned those pictures as he said, "Siyabonga kakhulu isiphelile indlu kagogo. Bengisehlile ngiye ekhaya ngiyopenda. Sekuphelile siyabonga." That's what he shared on his Instagram, you guys. His fans congratulated him for fulfilling his promise to his grandmother and most importantly him for not forgetting where he comes from, you guys. Congratulations to Big Zulu. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I'll see you on my next upload. Bye.